Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. We're very excited to show you our new mobile app for the Android platform. So if you have an Android smartphone, any of the Galaxies, you're gonna love this. This is gonna take your business to a whole new level, particularly with your staff and your delivery teams and the people that are working for you out in the field. That's what we developed the app for. It's not to replace RentalTrax or WIOsoft. It is to enhance the abilities for the people that are out in the field so they can communicate better with you and also create some accountability for your clients as well. So you can download our app by going to the Play Store, just search for RentalTrax by WIOsoft app. Even just typing in RentalTrax will pop it up here and you can install it. It's completely free. It's for you to use to enhance your business. So some of the features that we've got, here's some screenshots. You're going to be able to list products, so you can see all your products in here, see all the orders that are on your system as well, all your customers. Some new communication features. We'll be submitting new dialogues, so anytime you say your driver is out in the field and has a conversation with the client, they can now track that conversation and submit it so that it's all tracked and assigned to that booking and to that customer, so you can track the communications. Same thing, it's not always happy conversations we have with clients, unfortunately. So you can submit a complaint, which will create a ticket to allow you to track whether that client has been dealt with and made them happy, or whether that's still something you're working on, as well as submitting any messages. So if you're in the field and let's say the truck breaks, the driver can then take a picture of the vehicle and email a specific message back to the client. Really great feature as well. You can now take a signature on your phone when you deliver the goods, so they can sign directly on the screen of the phone. You can see that in this third screenshot here. Also, you're allowed to upload a picture now. So you can use the app to access your gallery to accept pictures you've previously taken, or take a new picture through the app and have it uploaded and attached directly onto the order. So lots of great new features, giving you lots of new functionality. So here's some screenshots of it as well. This is for the Android platform. We're working on the Apple platform as well, but this is for your Android smartphone. So it's just our first launch of our app, so it's only available on your smartphones, but make sure you go and download it and start using it, taking advantage. So where does the information go inside your system? I'll log into our RentalTrax demo system here so that I can show you. So I'm going to log in to our RentalTrax demo here. You can see over in the top right hand corner there's a button that says New Dialogue. I can now use this in my dashboard. That's the same as from the app. We're creating dialogues, tracking any conversations we have with our clients. So I'm going to type in the customer's name here. I can put in a specific order if I want, or you can leave it as blank. It's not necessary. I can put whatever reason they called in the comments, even select a satisfaction rating here. And then I'll save and close that. Where I'm going to find that is under our customers. If I go down to dialogue, I can now see here's the dialogue that was submitted. Very happy call. I can see all of the conversations that I have. So you can always look back and check your notes on the client or create a new dialogue. Your app will upload directly to this screen as well. We mentioned in the app that there is a complaint feature. So where you're going to find that is by going under the complaints, go to order, down to complaints. Any complaints that were submitted as well will be found in here, or I can create a new complaint by putting in the order number. I can say didn't get all of their products, and I can set the status. So there's 4 statuses. New being obviously it's a new complaint. Open meaning our staff, your business is doing something about this complaint right now. The action is on you. Awaits meaning you're waiting for information from the client. Close meaning that it's taken care of and it's done. So when I save and close it, it will populate it in here. Okay. Another new feature that is available is we talked about the signature and the video, or signature and the images that pop up. For that, I'm going to log into our WIOsoft account so that we can see on a specific order what that looks like. So let me log in here. So where you're going to find the images and the signature when you log into the system. When you upload it from the app, they're going to go to a new tab that's called Media tab. what that's going to look like, you'll notice when you're inside the orders, there's a new tab over here that says media. So when I click on that, I can see images that have been uploaded from the app. Okay, so here's all these coffee mugs. You can see that. So the purpose of that is that, let's say you drop off goods and the client is saying that the pieces were damaged. You're able to take a picture of that said damage and upload it to the order so that back at the office you can make a decision whether that is damaged or that's the way it's supposed to be, whether the client damaged it or your driver damaged it, whatever. But it gives you some accountability and some tracking. You can click on them to download the images as well in a PNG file. And over here on the left hand side, once they've signed off on the order, this signature button will pop up. When I click on the Get Signature, it then downloads a copy of that signature as well. I can click on it, open it up, and there's the signature. It says, I hereby sign off on this order. Automatically fills in the customer's name, the date, and so on. All right, so those are the new features from the app. The app is completely free for you to use. Once again, it's available on the Android smartphones right now. We are working on the iPhone, the iOS release as well. Working really hard to get that launched for you. And once again, it is free for you to use. We just want you to use it to enhance your business. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of us through email. You can email us at info@rentaltrax.com. That's info@rentaltrax.com. You can use the green support button on the right-hand side of your screen, or you can check us out online at www.rentaltrax.com.